How much Devve do you need in order to become a millionaire in 2025? Listen, if you don't know what Devve is the fastest blockchain that settles the most transactions in all of cryptocurrency. 8 million transactions per second, sub-second finality, and I've been telling you about it going back for almost a year now. So I'm going to break this down. I'm going to tell you how many Devve that I think you need in order to, and by the way, this is going to give you a prediction of where I think it's going to go. But I'm going to tell you in this market and overall how much you need in order to become a millionaire. Get your wallet ready. This, by the way, I am partnered with Devve, but not for this promotion. They partner with me for daily updates from you guys, for you guys. So we're going to talk right now about something a little bit different, and that is how much do you need, in my opinion, in order to become a millionaire. So if you have a little bit of capital on the side, stick with me, and let's go. Okay, first of all, we have a $55.6 million market cap. Now, here is, and I want to point this out to you guys. So the market cap over here on Uniswap, 55.9 million. The overall market cap on CoinMarketCap is 128.5 million. Now, I was told from the original, I was told that this is the correct number and that they're trying to get CoinMarketCap to update it. But I went back to the white paper, and the white paper also said 300 million. So when you look at this circulating supply right here of 300 million, that seems to be the accurate number. This says that the total supply is 75 million, but it's actually, I think it is 300 million. So some of it's going to the Dev, the Dev Foundation, DevStream Holdings. So there is a foundation that's going to hold on to it, but that's part of it. So the market cap is still pretty significant. So now the question is, what can we get out of that? Well, an easy 10x from here, 128 million market cap, taking it to 1.2 billion market cap would mean a $14 Devve. So how much do you need in Devve at this level in order to become a millionaire? Well, that's complicated. And it's complicated because that's not the end of it. So it is my estimation for you guys. During this bull run, you are going to see Devve. And by the way, I should point out, it is not a secret at this point. I'm not comfortable saying the name, but a major fintech organization has partnered with Devve, and there is a real potential for a breakout, a real breakout, taking this up into the $50 range. So in this bull market, I am looking for a move to $50 from Devve, and that is about 40x from where it is right now, maybe close to 50x before it settles. And remember, I've been giving you this call since 12 cents, so we're already up 10x on this. So for me, it's about a 400x in my position. So how much is it going to take to be a millionaire? Well, if you, at $50, if you grant that it will go to $50, then you need to have 20,000 Devve. 20,000 Devve, and it is right now trading at $1.45. Okay, $29,000 right now. If you haven't bought any Devve before, 29,000 Devve right now would make you a millionaire in this bull market, providing it goes to that $50 target. Now, ultimately, if it were to go to that $50 target, and we go back, this is where we start to get into some of these numbers. That's about a 40x from where we are. That puts it at about a 5 billion market cap. 5 billion market cap right now puts it somewhere in the neighborhood of the top 30 cryptos. I would suspect that we're probably going to be a top 15 crypto by the time this announcement gets made, which is currently 12 billion. So if we just consider about triple what I'm telling you as a potential move, if we consider going up about 3x from there, then you're talking about a $150 Devve price tag, which is up into this range. Now, this is where it gets interesting. It is my belief, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to at $50, I'm going to sell 40,000 Devve. So that would be worth a couple $1 million. that's my plan. Okay, that's my exit strategy. I have some exit strategies along the way as I DCA my way up and take profit along the way. But at 50, that's when I'm going to sell 40,000 Devve. But here's the thing. I'm going to keep 2,000 Devve in my wallet at all times. And why is that? Well, in the event that what I think is going to happens, and that is that Devve actually breaks out and becomes a top 10 crypto project. Top 10 crypto project right now, only another 1x away from what we're talking about 20 million. But in the bull market, that's going to be about 40, 50, 60 billion in the top 10. And I think that Devve has that opportunity. So we're talking about, for me, about a 4,000x, for you, from right now, about a 400x, taking it up into the 500 or 600. But what happens if it really resonates with people and people look at it and they say, oh my goodness, and it comes up into these Cardano to Bitcoin type levels? And if that's the case right there, then you're talking about, a gigantic move. Now, if we get that gigantic move, then you're talking about $1,000 Devve. So that's why I'm going to hold 2,000, because it is my impression that in not this bull run, but in the next bull run, we're going to be talking about $1,000 Devve, just like we're talking about Ethereum at 4,000 or 5,000. It'll be the same thing. And I think that this is going to move, and we're going to see that kind of crazy number if Devve had the market cap that Ethereum currently has. Devve would be about a 3,000x, and it would be worth $4,400 per coin. If I had 2,000 of those, that's $8 million. So it's just that simple. I'm going to hold on to this for a very long time. I think 20,000 Devve should make you a millionaire at this point. If you don't have any right now, take about 29,000. If you do, split the difference, figure it out. I think ultimately we're going to $50, and we're going to do it a lot sooner than you might think. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right. 2024 was a massive year for Cryptonomy.finance, and 2025 expects to be even bigger. Folks, we're getting into the bull run right now, and to celebrate, Cryptonomy is having a New Year giveaway with a chance to start 2025 with something quite extraordinary. The prizes up for grabs at Cryptonomy are a Range Rover autobiography. 3 winners will receive 1 Bitcoin each. There'll be 30 iPhone 16 Pro Max winners and 100 winners of $100 in Pepe. And how you participate is this: open and hold active margin positions on Cryptonomy's trading platform, invest in the Launchpool during the eligibility period, and entries will close on January 11 at 11:59 p.m. UTC. The winners will be announced on January 12. So what does that look like? All right, I ain't no fool. So we're going 20,000 into the Launchpool contract. Now I'm going to use the bronze level. We've created the contract, so we are locked in. Also, the second thing that we had to do was set up a margin trading position. My position right now on my Bitcoin long is 148.5%. On Ethereum, 123.76. We're getting into the bull run right now. We're going to open up a long with 50 Solana. We're going to take that position right now. 148% is the expected profit. We're going to use a 10x leverage position, and we've confirmed. And now we have another position open, 50 Solana this time. Let's see how this goes. I think these are going to be incredible returns. Join me on this journey. Now look, we already know a lot about Cryptonomy and its strengths, and I'm excited to highlight them again. As someone who's worked with the company for a long time, I'm confident to say that 2025 is set to be a breakthrough year. With major updates and collaborations on the horizon, Cryptonomy is ready to soar to new heights. You can earn great passive returns on staking and other programs. You can gain exclusive bonuses, including Cryptonomy token airdrops at their launches in early 2025, and enjoy countless other perks that come with being part of this growing ecosystem. Now is the perfect time to get involved. Don't miss your chance to benefit from everything Cryptonomy has to offer and kickstart your journey with a winning opportunity.